clearing the lighter. Brown. Part 2. So I'm finishing up blending here. Now I've gone there, get it used there. It's basically like a set. And then you just lock it in. Now I need to connect right here. This will finish and a lot of structure line. Depends if you do in one color or two colors. Yours will look different. And depends on what kind of black line you give. It'll look different, so don't worry.